we want everything to be what? Organized. Just like we created a folder for images, I would like us to create another folder for video, and then for audio we can create the folder here, or we can use the main folder here on the desktop. So you can double click, you see the images folder. We can create the folder here, okay, or we can do it using our text editor. So in this case, let's use a text editor. One more a folder called videos, okay, so that we can easily call for our videos to be displayed. Let me create one more and say audio. So I'll add 1 or 2 videos and 1 or 2 audio. I don't know whether I will even find audio on my device, and try to display or show how it is being added. Now I have added 2 files each in the video folder and then the audio folder. Now this is the code I've posted. This is the source, okay. This is indicating the file path where the file can be found. So the file can be found in a folder called videos. As you can see here, videos. Within the video there's a file called difficulty memorizing the Quran, which can be seen here. So this becomes the part. The poster, I said the poster is the image that will be shown while the video is reloading. Okay, so it will show one of the images I have, which is the course video. It's not related to this video, by the way, so it's just for demonstration purposes. The width is 400 pixels, the height is 300 pixels. I indicate the preload. I didn't put any of the values of preload. I also want control, okay. I also want control. All these ones are attributes found, and then in the video element they are all placed in the opening tag, and there's a paragraph here, and then it ends with the closing tag of the video element. Let me save, file, save. Let me check my browser. Okay, now you can see this is exactly what I want to do. This is the image we use in the images folder, as you can find it here. That's the poster. Okay, the poster is this image you see, and these are the controls, okay, as you see it at the bottom, and then the preload. So let me just play and see if my video will actually play. Okay, so it's playing. Okay, so you have these control buttons. I can pause, okay, continue playing. I can forward it. I can also use the volume controls. Okay, so that is exactly what I was explaining in the code. Alright, so let me pause my video. Okay, alright, so as you can see, the width and then the height as we have explained.